your PushTracker E2 by holding down the button on the side. Follow the prompts on the screen for the Wear OS by Google tutorial. Turn on your SmartDrive. Touch the SmartDrive MX2 Plus button on the screen to open the app. Wear the device or cover the sensor on the back to proceed. Touch the Turn Power Assist On button to pair and connect your SmartDrive. Phone permissions are required to pair and connect your PushTracker E2 to your SmartDrive only. This does not allow your PushTracker E2 to connect or manage phone functions. Read the prompts for details and accept the permissions. Select the SmartDrive that appears on the screen. You know it's connected when the outer border on the screen is blinking blue. Touch Turn Power Assist off, then swipe up until you see the menu. Select your language, then open and adjust the settings prior to first-time use. Now swipe back up to the main screen. Push the Turn Power Assist On button when you're ready to go. To learn how to practice using your SmartDrive and PushTracker E2, as well as other how-to topics, go to our YouTube channel, permobilus.com/how-to-SmartDrive.